Hey followers, this is a quick video on a new toy that I got. This is the new Lowrance Elite 7 Ti2. Just wanted to give you a quick impression of why I got it, what made me decide to finally upgrade. My existing HDI units you see down there have served me well. They're 10 years old, nothing wrong with them. They still work and they will continue to serve me. Why did I buy new? Well, I spent a lot of time in the water here in Colorado and told my wife I think I want a new unit. She agreed, and I went to the local Bass Pro Cabela's and they price matched what Lowrance had on their website. Now, cheapest place to get brand new is on Lowrance's website. Why did I get the 7-inch? You see that mount down there? It is the exact same mount that's used on the HDI 5 and the 7, which I already have. As you can see, it's snapped right in place. It does come with a cover now, so didn't have to buy that separate. Some of the features why I bought this was the side scan. Now, I'm not installing a side scan. That's a big donkey dick, maybe later on. I am using the existing HDI transducer, which works fine, but the old 7-pin transducers do not auto-detect, so you have to manually select it. If you want to use a 7-pin on the new TIs, the TIs are 9-pin. You're going to need one of these guys. This is a 7-pin to 9-pin adapter, $29. You're not going to find it any lower anywhere, so got the same deal. So I'm fat and lazy, didn't want to run my new transducer and power wires. Another neat thing is it uses the existing power wire from the HDIs. It's the red plug. Snap right in. One of the big features of this unit is you can wirelessly network to another unit up from the front, but save your money, don't have to, and I will show you why. So I've got an old tablet here. Let me power it up. And there's an app right there that I've got. Connect to so the TIs are basically a standalone hotspot. I can connect to it through the tablet. Remote control, and it mirrors exactly what you see. So my idea is that this is an old tablet. It's a little bit bigger than the Lowrance screen, but I'm gonna throw this up in the bow. So if you see those commercials, you can wirelessly mirror. Save your money. Go get yourself a $50 tablet, download the app from Lowrance, and run the mirror. And if you're wondering if you can control everything, there's my menu. Change it. I can go to chart. Come on. Yeah. Everything comes right up. So, yeah, save yourself the money. Don't buy on eBay or Amazon. Just go directly to Cabela's. They'll price match what Lowrance has. The old HDIs, they're nothing wrong with them. They'll still be used. It's going to be used up in the front of the bow. One interesting thing is on the box it says these units come with a 2-year warranty instead of a 1-year warranty. Interesting. Also seeing a few people complaining that the touchscreens don't work. Well, if you're doing a touchscreen at home outside the boat, the unit's not grounded. The feedback on the touchscreens need to be grounded somehow. What you want to do is you want to put your hand on the transducer if it's connected, or put your hand on one of the terminals of the battery. That will allow you to, get your touchscreen back. Otherwise, do what I do, use a tablet. My plan is to, once it's started up, the cover's going to go on, and I'm going to use the tablet here. Again, it's going to be, that's kind of how I'm going to be using it. future videos, how I'm gonna use the HDI in the front. Well, there's not too many videos of how they perform on the US2 Minn Kotas. So I've got a bow mount up front, and I'll give you a video here next week. But if you have any questions, let me know, comments. This is like an initial video. I've already done 2 hours of bench setup. It's configured the way I like it, connected to my home Wi-Fi, updated to the latest software. It's pretty easy. And again, if you're interested in this, do not buy it online. Just go directly to Cabela's, have them do a price match.